Welcome, and here we go. Hello folks, welcome back. We are continuing on right where we left off in the last video. So we've created this edit of springtime, but we should probably give it a title and let people know it's about springtime. And if we had credits to give, we would need to put those at the end. I am going to show you how to add text now. It's quite simple. There's an extra panel within Premiere that allows you to add graphics. And so all you have to do is go up here to Window, and you'll see you have a huge list of tools you can turn on and off. So what I'm going to do is turn on Essential Graphics. And what Essential Graphics is going to do is give me all of these pre-made templates. So just like you've seen, you know, at the beginning of a movie, or, you know, here's the credits that are play at the end of a movie, you can actually choose one of these that already has motion attached to it, add it to your video, and just change the text. That's a very simple way. The other thing you can do is add text in and of itself, which is just the T here, which will just give you a bar, and you can choose the font and the color and all of those things like you do in Photoshop. So it's a fairly simple process. I think what we'll do is use this template. So I'm going to drag it over the beginning. So here you can see if I play the template, it obviously says coming up next, which is not what we want it to say, but that's what it looks like. So let's edit this. So I'm going to drag the guitar pick over the text so you can see it. And then I am going to come in here and edit this text. So, let's do springtime. Okay. And you could, edit the font if you wanted to. So down here on the right-hand side, you have access to all of the text tools. So if I wanted to, I could make it, oops, I didn't highlight it. That would be my fault. Must highlight text in order for it to work. So there we go. And let's change it to, what did I pick last time? There we go. There you go. So there it is there. It's just small in that corner. If you wanted it to be bigger, using this text panel down here, you have a ton of control, just like you do in Photoshop, like a lot of control. Positioning, you have what type of font you're using, what its justification is, all of the real font tools that you have in Photoshop, with the exception of some of the warping, is all here. You can change what color it is. You can change the rotation. You can change all of that. So you can feel free to play with those. But if I were to come back here and play it now, there is my text over the top of my video. And I kind of think I want it to last a little bit longer, maybe all the way through until here. So we can try that again. And to this, I could add a transition so that this fades out. So I could come back in here and go to video transition and do a dip to black and just put it at the edge of the graphic, which will dip it down to black, which might not be what I want. I might want cross dissolve, actually. Let's cross dissolve it so that it dissolves into the video that's underneath it. I'm gonna expand this a little bit so that I can make the cross dissolve larger. And then let's see. And it just fades out very nicely. Lovely. So that is a really simple way to add text to your videos. You can use any of those templates in Essential Graphics. It'll even do your credits, whatever you need. So that's a very quick way to do text, remembering that you could just use a straight up text type tool and type it over top and position it. So up to you. Very quick, how to add text.